everyone, my name's Cal and I'm an emerging writer, and I'm here to tell you about my new children's book that I've written. It's called Swooping Through the Milky Way, and we're going to have a book launch party on Friday. So I just wanted to give you fair warning that you need to have with you an empty glass jar, or perhaps an empty plastic jar, or even Ziploc bags if you need, because we're going to have the best fun. We're going to have a workshop making your own Milky Way, making the whirlpools that you might find in space. We're going to discuss the tasty eats you'll find in my book. I'm not going to tell you what they are. You'll have to read it to find out. We'll have a look at the adventures that the two sets of siblings have in our Milky Way story. A few meteors, there's the Milky Way, launching on the space rocket, or actually it's a giant sparkler. My story is about two sets of siblings that live here on Earth. Their names are Leo and Ursa, and alien siblings, but they're the friendly kind of aliens. They live in the Milky Way, and their names are Neb and Cassie. Now, my launch party, like I said, is for children of all ages, young and old. I just recommend that the book is read by children between the ages of 8 and 11. In the meantime, you can buy my book on Amazon, on the Kindle store, under children's ebooks and the fantasy genre. You don't have to own a Kindle to buy my book. You can download the Kindle app for free. I don't have a Kindle myself, and I have downloaded many books on the Kindle app. And don't worry, I'm not affiliated with the Kindle app. I just know that it's a Kindle app for free because I'm an avid bookworm. Well, I can't wait to see you on Friday for our book launch party. That'll be right here on YouTube, 12 midday Australian Eastern Standard Time. Thanks for joining me. Bye for now.